Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will discuss some important steps to set up GridPro's License Manager. Check out our playlist to know the detailed installation steps for different OSs. To start with, we need to have the license file, which you get from GridPro. The license file is dependent on three things: host IP address, host name, and host MAC address. The MAC address must remain consistent to ensure the license file functions correctly. The licenses are of two types: float and snode. Float license allows GridPro to run on any machine which is on the same network as of the server, whereas the snode license server is the same machine as the client. We will look into the detail of the float license. GridPro's License Manager can be set up in two ways: through a series of commands or using License Manager GUI. This video focuses on the license server setup using the command line terminal. Once you obtain the license file, rename it to gridpro.lic and copy it to GridPro's lc_mngr folder in the server and in the client machines. To start the license manager, you need to run the lcmgr command on the server machine. Note that lcmgr can be run without root access. There can be only one lcmgr run per subnet. To establish a communication between client and host, we need to ensure the following things. For the license manager, an available port is open through the firewall on the server machine. On my server, I have opened port number 23001. The license manager communicates through the RPC program, which requires port 111 open through the firewall. You can refer to the installation guide to know more details about setting the firewall rules on each OS. On the client machine, navigate to host file and add the IP address, hostname of the server file to this host file. In rare scenarios, the hostname used to cut the license is shortened, so you may need to map this to the original hostname in the host file of the server. For example, on the server machine, navigate to etc host. I'll ping the server from the client machine by typing ping in the command line terminal. I get the reply from the server, so the connection is proper. The command line syntax for license manager: lcmgr-p. Using the flag -p, you can define the port number that is available on the server. For more information, you can use lcmgr with -h tag. The license manager usage data is stored in lcmgr.log file. By default, this file is stored in the home directory for Linux OS and in the given directory for Windows. This path can be manually specified using -l tag while running lcmgr in command line. When the license file is replaced for the renewed license, you will need to kill the existing lcmgr process and rerun it. Note: to run the lcmgr automatically as Windows services, run lcmgr_svg.bat file in the installation directory. Once the license manager is set up, you are good to get started with GridPro Workspace on your client machine by running ws in a command line. Stay tuned for the next video and I will explain the license manager setup using the license manager GUI.